In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transparent header in Google Sites. A transparent header lets your site's navigation sit neatly on top of your page banner, creating a clean, modern look where the background image shows through. It's a simple switch, but it can make your homepage feel more polished and professional while keeping your content front and center. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the one you want to update and on the page where you want to see the visual effect. The transparent header looks best when your page uses a banner or cover image at the top, because that's what will be visible behind your navigation. If your header is just text on a plain background, you won't notice much change even when transparency is enabled. Next, click the settings gear in the top right corner of the editor and choose navigation. This is where Google Sites centralizes controls for your site's header and menu behavior. You'll see options related to where the navigation appears and how it behaves. Think of it as the command center for your site's top bar. Now, enable transparent header if the option is available. The moment it's turned on, your header background becomes see-through over your banner area, allowing images or color behind it to show through. On many sites, the header will automatically switch to a solid background as you scroll to maintain readability, then return to transparent when you're back at the top. That's normal and intended. If you don't see the toggle, it's usually due to your current setup. The option commonly appears when your site uses top navigation and your page header is set to a banner or cover that includes an image. Certain themes, side navigation layouts, or header types may not support transparency. Also, if your banner image is very light or very busy, menu text and your logo might blend in. A high contrast image or subtle overlay often works best, and choosing theme colors that contrast with your banner will help keep your navigation legible. After you turn it on, take a moment to scan your header text, logo, and links against your banner. Make sure they're easy to read and that hover and active states are visible. It's also helpful to glance at your site on different screen sizes, since the transparency effect can feel different on mobile versus desktop. That's all it takes. Open your site, go to settings, select navigation, and enable transparent header. Enjoy the cleaner, more modern first impression.